Hello, welcome to 848 Jefferson Way here in historic, beautiful Hersheys Mill in Chester County. This unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Donegal model on the golf course here in Hersheys Mill. As you enter, the foyer opens up into a large, open dining living area with a wood-burning fireplace, lots of sunlight, recessed lighting, and fantastic views of the golf course from every window. Both the foyer and the dining room lead into a large open kitchen with a dining area, wooden cabinets, tile backsplash, and a lovely countertop. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. The main bedroom features a walk-in closet, a full bath, and a lovely window seat with a view of the golf course. There is a finished lower level with large, separate rooms with plenty of possibilities.